Okay, one Google engineering executive, okay, who has conducted 1,000 interviews. A Google engineering executive who has conducted 1,000 interviews. So he has briefed the four mistakes. Normally, the student applicant who is seeking for the job, he will do the four mistakes. So this Google engineering executive whomever have conducted 1,000 interviews, within them generally he found four mistakes. So that four mistakes can be done by even by the best candidates also. Even though the best candidates also, they will do the four mistakes. So his name is Google engineering executive Daniel Rizea. He is a director of engineering at Google. He is a director of engineering at Google, Daniel Rizea. He says most candidates make similar mistakes, even though best candidates also. Even though best candidates, they will do the four general mistakes. Let us see. Regardless of tenure or experience, it doesn't mean if you are more experienced, still you will do four mistakes. So let us see what are the four mistakes. So he is a director of engineering in the biggest European wearable offices of Google. Throughout his career, he has conducted 1,000 interviews and he has participated in many hiring committees and hiring boards. So let us compile that four mistakes. They are being done by even though the best students, best candidates. So he has interviewed many candidates with different backgrounds and levels of seniority. Okay, and from product managers to engineers. He has interviewed from many employees, from product manager to engineers, managers of managers, and user experience designers. Okay, UI means user interface, UX means user experience designers. So regardless of function or tenure, most candidates make similar mistake. So they will do the similar mistake that cost them getting job. So that moment, if they do the similar mistakes, and they will be keep away of the job. Even the brightest candidates can fall in this trap. Even though the student is so bright student, still he will be in this trap. Trap means, let us see what is that four mistakes. The four common mistakes. First one is thinking you are prepared because you are good at your job. Okay, this is the first mistake he is doing. Thinking you are prepared because you are good at your job. Okay, so thinking you are prepared because you are good at your job. What is this mistake? You are doing well at your job, so you are feeling that, you are thinking that your preparation is well because you are doing well at your job, so you are thinking that you are well prepared. So it is wrong thinking. So this is the first mistake. So this is called as halo of knowledge trap. So it happens when the candidates, they are doing good at their current job, and they think that they will also do great at the interview because they are doing good at the job, current job. So ultimately, finally, what they think, if I am doing right at my current job, I am doing performing well at my current job, so I will do great at my interview also. No, it is wrong. You are doing, that is as per your job requirement you are doing, but now you want to appear for an interview, so accordingly you need to prepare yourself. It doesn't mean I am doing well at my job, so surely I will do right at my interview. No. So this creates a false sense. So they are prepared. Okay, so the trap here is that the things required to pass an interview may be very different from whatever you are doing in a day-to-day job. So you are doing at your job, so you need to do somewhat different you need to prepare for to pass an interview. Okay, you need to understand this one. Okay, next is what? Okay, when was the last time any software engineer implemented a difficult algorithm in order to solve a work related problem? The odds are very unlikely, but candidates are expected to be able to juggle with the theory of an interview setting. So normally, so for this the first point, you are thinking you are so prepared because you are doing well, you are performing well at your job, but it is wrong. For this, what you need to do to overcome this, you need to practice yourself, and you need to do more practice. And you, if you want to solve interview questions on you, you need to solve the interview questions on your own. Okay, and then success, to get the success in interview, it is a skill. Okay, and attending the mock interviews, that is the best thing. Okay, and for this you write the code. Do you need to attend mock interviews well? Okay, if you have a friend and who is taking interviews, he is active interview, so that is so better for you. Some companies, they are offering free mock interviews for their candidates for the better preparation. Okay, so if you are more algorithmic and coding questions you do, so the more practice, if you keep more practice, so you will understand better. Okay, so if you are doing more algorithmic and coding questions you do, so you will understand better. Okay, so this is one point. So as per this summary synopsis, main summary is that don't think that you are doing well at your job, so ultimately finally you will do it, your preparation will be better. No, it is wrong. So for that, you keep your practice well, you do more algorithmic questions. Okay, and keep your practice and attend the mock interviews. Okay, so if your interviewer, if you find a good friend who can take your interviews, that is better for you. So that is what something. Okay, like you study all this. Okay, that is one thing. So next is what, so so for this, you attend the mock interviews, and if your friend, he is taking the interviews, that is very well, and you do more algorithm practice. Okay, this is the summary of that. So you always, you write the you keep your practice on a piece of paper, otherwise your documents and Google documents, wherever. Okay, and try to do more practice. Okay, so it will, this is the first to overcome this is the problem. What is that? You are feeling that you are good at your of a job and you are doing well, so it is wrong assumption. And keep more algorithms by practicing of, attend more mock interviews. If your friend taking that, you write your coding on a paper, piece of paper. Okay, otherwise on documents, Google documents, like whatever. So if you practice more, and surely you will be able to write the good code. The more algorithm and coding questions you do. Okay, so that is one first point. And then next is what, second point we will